everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Let me open the remote desktop application from the Windows search bar. Then enter your RDP IP address. To see the advanced options, click the Show Options button. Now go to the Display option and try to change the resolution to 720p. Let us check the resolution. Let me give the credentials. As you can see, the resolution setup works as we did. Let us try another change. This time we will do 1080p. This also works as before. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.